I did not know this was gonna go off, guys.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Jefferson County in West Central Pennsylvania, East Central Armstrong County in West Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Clarion County in West Central Pennsylvania until 1:15 p.m. At 12:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Bethlehem or near Ramsburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter side hail.
I did not know this was gonna go off.
Radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
That's my friend there.
Locations impacted include Ramsburg, New Bethlehem, Somerville, Limestone, Hawthorne, Corsica. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 69 and 72. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties for today.